In this tutorial, I will explain how to write a research article using ChatGPT. Our focus will be on a topic which is highly relevant to environmental engineering, water quality prediction using ensemble learning algorithm. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced researcher, this method will save your time and enhance the quality of your work. So, first of all, you have to arrange your data. For example, I have used ensemble learning techniques like AdaBoost, Gradient Boost, XGBoost, CAD Boost, and Light GBM for water quality prediction in the border river basin, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. These are the water quality parameter which I have used for my research purpose, like chloride, calcium, pH, electrical conductivity, magnesium, sulfate, dissolved solid, HCO3, sodium, carbonate. So among these parameters, each one is selected time by time as a target variable, and the remaining parameter were selected as a input variable. Among these parameter, one parameter is selected as a target variable while the rest were used as input variable. The input variable was rendered through random forest technique to select the most appropriate combination of input parameter to the target variable. So once this process has been completed, then statistical performance indicator like R square, mean square error, and mean absolute error was selected to assess the model performance. Later, compromise programming was carried out based on the statistical performance indicator to rank the models. So basically, these are the results which I have obtained. For example, HCO3 is my target variable and these three are our input variable. So I have used all models like AdaBoost, Gradient Boost, XGBoost, CAD Boost, and Light GBM. I got statistical performance indicator for both training and testing for all these models. Later, compromise programming was carried out to highlight the best model. Like this one XGBoost is the best model for this combination of input and output variables. So same for electrical conductivity, we have repeated the same process and we got the statistical performance indicator which were later used for model ranking using compromise programming. So this is the result of the whole process. So now how we can write a research paper from this detail. So now just copy this and now write it over here. Write abstract from the above details. Now abstract write-up has been completed. Now move to the next section. Introduction. With references. You can increase or decrease the number of paragraphs. Now write study area details. Now write data collection details. Also mention I have collected the data water quality parameter from WAPDA. So now it will GPT will write the complete detail of water quality parameters. Now write the methodology section. In this section, if you provide the code which you have used for each model, that will be a better one. It will write in more precise way. If you need more explanation of all these of the above techniques, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in more detail if you are interested in its architecture. So basically it can draw our architecture of this model as well. Now write results section. If you need some more detail of this section, so you can specify it. And then write discussion section. If you need references in any section, you can specify it. It is also written limitation and future work. And the last one I didn't mention, but it has started writing the conclusion section. So now you can copy all these details to MS Word file and then rephrase all these details, because you have to humanize it before submitting to any journal. If you need any further modification in any section, you have to specify it. ChatGPT will give you detail based on the information you have provided.